Hello students, this is your worksheet number 16 of Directorate Science class 10th. So today we will be discussing about displacement and double displacement chemical reactions. As you all know, the first chapter is going on, which is coming in the first term in the form of MCQ, and at least it will be of 5 or 6 marks, because first, second and third 3 chapters of chemistry, total marks are 16 allotted to them. So around 5 or 6 marks will be of this chapter. And from first chapter, firstly we have done the what is a chemical reaction, what is chemical equation, how to balance chemical reaction and chemical equations. Then we have done the types of chemical reaction. In the topic of types of chemical reaction, there is a topics like combination reaction you have done. You have seen this decomposition reaction. You can refer to previous videos in the playlist, 10th playlist of this channel. If you subscribe this channel, you can always get notifications, and if you press the bell icon, you will get notification whenever the video is uploaded. So let us start the third type of reactions in the first chapter, the displacement and double displacement reactions. So what are displacement and double displacement reactions? Displacement, as the name suggests, जो आपको नाम से पता लग रहा होगा कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट का मीनिंग, अगर आप नाम से देखें उसके, तो आपको आइडिया हो रहा होगा कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट मीन्स डिस्प्लेस करना, किसी चीज़ को डिस्प्लेस कर देना, अपनी एक प्लेस से हटाकर दूसरी प्लेस में लगाना, displacement. So same in this reaction, what is being displaced? So if you see, the less reactive element is displaced from its compound by more reactive element. The more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Such reactions are known as displacement reactions. So how will you know that which is less reactive element, which is more reactive element? That is basically known by the reactions taking place in between compounds, elements. When you see a reaction happening, you can easily say that this element has replaced another element from its solution, so it is more reactive. So see here one example you have seen already in the previous worksheets. When iron nails are dipped in a copper sulfate solution, it is also in your practical notebook for doing practical in science practical syllabus. It is also there, and you can easily do it in your science lab, where you will take a copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate CuSO4. How its formula is arrived? Cu, copper, has 2 plus charge and sulfate has 2 minus charge. When the 2 cancels out by crossing CuSO4, it will be its formula, copper sulfate. Its color is blue, basically it is light blue. When you mix it into water in a beaker or in test tube, you will take mix copper sulfate, it will be of blue color, like somewhat like I will draw for you, somewhat like of this color. This will be copper sulfate, blue color copper sulfate solution. When you put iron nail in it, iron nail is basically of, you know that iron nail, लोहे की कील, black color. So this black color iron nails are dipped into this solution. Then you will see after some time the color of solution will become light green, that is of sea green color it will become. This color will convert into light green color. The blue color will convert into light green color solution, and the nails which have been dipped, they will achieve a golden brown color. Deposit of this type will be seen on nails. So the color is changed, chemical reaction has taken place. So what has taken place here? The iron is more reactive. It has displaced copper from its solution and formed its own solution of iron sulfate, and copper is displaced. That displaced copper has deposited on iron nails, of which you see the iron nails become the deposition of copper makes their color like this golden brown color. So it is one example of displacement reaction. There are many examples of displacement reactions like this. Because iron is more reactive than copper, so it has displaced copper from its copper sulfate solution and made iron sulfate solution, and copper is thrown out or displaced. Now blue color copper sulfate has blue color and iron sulfate has light green color, so there is a color change. Similarly, when zinc is dipped into copper sulfate solution and zinc is put into it, then it will replace copper from its solution and will make zinc sulfate. It will make zinc sulfate solution. So how will you tell which metal can replace another metal, or which element will replace another element from its compound? Here is a short mnemonic for that. Kashi, they say it as काशी नाथ का माली आलू ज़रा फीके पकाता है क्योंकि होगा एजिड। तो काशी के से इन्होंने लिया है, के से सिंबल बन गया आपका पोटाशियम। इट इज़ फॉर रिमेंबरिंग काशी के पोटाशियम। नाथ Na, नाथ, दैट इज सोडियम। देन कम्स का से Ca, दैट इज कैल्शियम। का माली Mg, मैग्नीशियम। दिस इज फॉर रिमेंबरिंग ओनली मैग्नीशियम। देन आलू Al, एल्यूमिनियम। आलू से Al या Al इसका सिंबल है एल्यूमिनियम का। दिस इज नॉट फॉर साइंस, दिस इज ओनली फॉर रिमेंबरिंग, राइमिंग। साइंस इज देयर, हियर इट इज साइंटिफिक। ज़रा Zn, that is zinc। फीके Fe, iron। Symbols and names you have to remember। Then पकाता P for Pb, lead। है H, हाइड्रोजन। क्योंकि K, कॉपर। होगा Hg, मर्क्यूरी। एजिड Ag, सिल्वर। इससे भी नीचे एक होता है Au, गोल्ड। सो इन शॉर्ट यू कैन रिमेंबर फ्रॉम हेयर काशी के, नाथ Na, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक, आयरन, लेड, हाइड्रोजन, कॉपर, मर्करी, सिल्वर। Understood? Okay, so this is known as reactivity series. In decreasing order it means the topmost is most reactive, then less reactive, then less reactive, less reactive. So reactivity is decreasing. Least reactive here is silver. One more, Au, gold. Potassium is more reactive than all of these: sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc. Potassium can displace all of these. Sodium can displace the metals following it in the series. Hydrogen is not a metal, it is a non-metal. Why it has been placed here? Because when we see the reactions of acids with metals, then we will see which metal is more reactive than acids, then they will react, and less reactive metals would not react with the acid, cannot displace hydrogen in acids. So it is here, you will remember these. Then comes double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? By name you see there was a single displacement, only one metal has been displaced by another metal. In double displacement reaction, there are two ions which are exchanged between the reactants. What are reactants? The left hand side, which are written on the arrow, left hand side of arrow, which takes place part in the reaction, and they are changed chemically. After change, the products are formed which are written on the right side of arrow. So here in this example, sodium sulfate and barium chloride are reactants, and barium sulfate and sodium chloride are products. Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, means sodium sulfate, made up of two ions, sodium and sulfate, which have different charges, +1, -2. Similarly, barium chloride reactant is made up of two ions, barium +2 charge and chloride -1 charge. They exchange ions in between themselves, and then they will become sodium chloride and barium sulfate. So ions, two reactants exchange ions between themselves. This ion goes to this, and this chloride ion goes to this, means sulfate ion goes to this and chloride ions goes to this. So they form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So exchange of ions take place. Both reactants exchange their ions between themselves. So they are known as, this reaction is known as double displacement reaction. Here double displacement takes place. One displacement is this ion goes to this, and another displacement is these ions goes to this. So this is the example of double displacement. It is also known as precipitation reaction. Why? Because one of the compounds so formed is not soluble in the water. These are what aqueous, means they are made solution in water. Their solution is made in water and they are soluble in water, but after reaction barium sulfate is formed which is not soluble in water, and it will, if this is the solution and one solution is this, one solution is this, these are aqueous solution. Let us suppose this is sodium sulfate solution and this is barium chloride solution, BaCl2. Barium chloride solution, you mix these two and then you will have one solution test tube in which sodium chloride, the common salt, नमक जो आप खाते हैं वो तो पानी में घुला रहेगा, देन बेरियम सल्फेट जो है वो पानी में नीचे अपना प्रेसिपिटेट, वाइट कलर का प्रेसिपिटेट बन जाएगा, सॉलिड, इसलिए लिखा है सॉलिड, मीन्स ये सोल्यूशन में नहीं रहेगा बिकॉज इट इज़ इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर, इट्स वाइट प्रेसिपिटेट विल कम आउट ऑफ द solution. So therefore this is also known as precipitation reaction. Now see practice questions. Identify the more reactive element from the given pair Na and Mg. Remember that mnemonic: Kashi, Nath, Na, Ka, Mali, M. So Nath comes first, Mali comes last, Na, sodium comes first and magnesium after that. Sodium is more reactive. हेयर आलू ज़रा फीके पकाता हो है क्योंकि वो लास्ट में है कॉपर, एल्युमिनियम ऊपर था वो, तो एल्युमिनियम इज़ मोर एक्टिव देन कॉपर. जिंक एंड एल्युमिनियम, आलू ज़रा, आलू पहले था, एल्युमिनियम इज़ मोर reactive. Fe and Cu, iron is more active than copper, you have seen in the reaction, or you can remember from that mnemonic: काशी, नाथ, का, माली, आलू, ज़रा, फीके, Fe, पकाता है क्योंकि काफ़ी नीचे है, कॉपर काफ़ी नीचे है वैसे, आयरन इज़ मोर reactive. Then comes, read the following. Aditya dipped iron nails in the copper sulfate solution, like we have seen on the above reaction. Tabassum dipped copper wire in the iron sulfate. Both are vice versa. In copper sulfate solution, Aditya has put iron nails, and here in iron sulfate solution, Tabassum dipped copper wire. So after some time, Aditya observed that copper is deposited on iron nail. I have shown you golden brown color, and color of solution change, that will be from blue to light green. But Tabassum observed no change, because when iron is more active than copper, it can replace copper sulfate from its solution, copper from copper sulfate solution. But copper is not more reactive, copper is less reactive, so it cannot replace iron from iron sulfate solution. So therefore Aditi will see the change in color and reaction. In Tabassum's case, no reaction has taken place, so there was no change in color or no deposit. So we have to give reason. Copper deposited on the iron nail. Why? Because copper is more reactive than iron? No. If copper would have been more reactive than iron, then it cannot have been replaced, because iron is more reactive than copper. So it has replaced copper from copper sulfate solution, and this copper deposited on the iron nails. Both are equally reactive, then reaction would not have taken place. None of the above. So second is the right answer. Then comes the next question. What color change Aditi observed in the first reaction? I have already told you the color of copper sulfate is blue, which will convert into color iron sulfate, whose color is light green. So blue to light green. Then comes double displacement reaction, is also known as precipitation reaction. Explain with example. Already explained on above that in double displacement reaction, exchange of ions take place, and generally one of the compounds so formed is not soluble in the water, so it comes out in the form of precipitate. जैसे दूध पे मलाई आती है, precipitate घुलता नहीं है, ऊपर आ जाता है, वो चीज़. Chemical reactions in which there is an exchange of ions between reactants are called double displacement reaction. When we add, for example, it has been given that, explained with example. When we add sodium sulfate solution to barium chloride solution, we observe white substance which is insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water, so it comes out in the form of precipitate. It deposited out of the water in form of precipitate. Any reaction that produces precipitate is called precipitation reaction. So the white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed by the reaction of this. So it is, you can write this whole reactions. Thank you. Keep watching the videos, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon given there, so you can easily see every time when video is uploaded. And you can also refer to earlier videos of 10th class playlist.